Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, but there's also air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. It's done under 14,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.